Once upon a time, deep in the heart of a dense and vibrant jungle, lived a mighty lion named Sheru. He had a thick golden mane, eyes that sparkled with power, and a roar that echoed through the trees. He was feared by all animals, not because of his strength but because of his pride and arrogance. He would mock the slow-moving turtles, laugh at the hard-working ants, and even roar at the kind elephants just to remind them of his supremacy. He often told others, "I am the king. No one is worthy of standing beside me." One sunny morning, while the jungle was still waking up, a group of strangers entered. They were humans from a city zoo carrying cages, nets, and tranquilizer guns. Their target? Sheru. The animals overheard the humans talking. "He will be a great attraction at the zoo. Such a majestic lion." They panicked. Despite Sheru's past behavior, they didn't want their jungle's lion to be captured. The jungle was their home, and no outsider was allowed to harm one of their own, even a rude one. Led by the wise old elephant Bura, the animals came together with a plan. The monkeys swung from trees to distract the humans. The birds chirped loudly and flew in flocks to confuse them. The rabbits dug hidden pits to slow their path. Even the snakes slithered in to hiss and scare the intruders. Meanwhile, Sheru was asleep in his den. He woke up to chaos and realized what was happening. But what surprised him most was seeing all the animals fighting for him. Sheru was shocked. He stood in front of all the animals with tears in his eyes, not of fear, but of shame and gratitude. He said humbly, "I don't deserve your kindness. I've been rude, proud, and distant. Today, you all risked your lives for me. I'm sorry." From that day on, Sheru was a changed lion. He played with the monkeys, listened to the birds' songs, helped carry food with the elephants, and even sat beside the rabbits during evening stories.